Hey, beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel here. Listen, I am so definitely interested in finding out great information on great wigs. I am today checking out this Usoft wig. It is a curly hair 4x4 with a lace closure, Peruvian, and it is, yes, human hair, and it's a 180 250 density. Y'all check it out here and look how it flows. I'm really digging this one, and it comes in 14 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches, 22 inches, 24 inches, or 26 inch. So yes, indeed, this is super nice and affordable as well. You can get 15% off of this wig. Just use the code BEAUTY at checkout, whichever length that you decide to get. Check it out. I have the link below if you're looking for some beautiful human hair and this Peruvian style. Yeah, I'm loving it. Yes, indeed. Check out my link below. I am a UsoftHair affiliate, and I wanted to share this with you so you'll know what time it is, what's going on, and where you can get some affordable hair from. Signing out for now. I'll see you on the next one.